National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskingum County, southwestern Tuscarawas County, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Lafayette, or 8 miles southeast of Coshocton, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Newcomerstown, West Lafayette, Port Washington, Plainfield, Gilmore, Otsego, Bowdoin, Bakersville, Hambleton. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 56 and 71. Now for the